Want to add sticky notes to your iPhone home screen? Keep watching. Open the App Store. Tap on the search bar and type Sticky Widgets. Install the Sticky Widgets app. Open the app. Tap to edit on the screen. Type your desired note. Tap Customize in the top left corner. Tap Background and choose your preferred option. Tap Font and select one. Make any additional changes if needed. Tap Done. Return to the home screen. Tap and hold the empty screen to enter edit mode. In the top left corner, tap Edit. Click Add Widget. Type Sticky Widgets in the search bar. Choose your preferred widget size. Tap the plus sign to add the widget. Tap on it to select the note you want on the home screen. Adjust the widget size by holding the edge. Tap the empty space on the screen to finalize. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick tips.